Now we are going to learn the possessive adjective. Les adjective possessive. Possessive adjectives. So, for je, the possessive adjective are mon, ma and me. Now all these verbs, these three words mean my. So mon is placed before a noun that is in the masculine form. Ma is placed before a noun that is in the feminine form. And me, as you would have guessed, it is placed before a noun that is either masculine or feminine but plural. For example, let us take livre. Do you remember what livre means? Yes, it means book. It is in the masculine form. So, mon livre, my book. Mon means my and livre is book. Mon livre. If you have many books, it is in the plural form. So, what would you say? Mes livres, my books. So, the possessive adjective will change depending upon the noun. Let us take an example of table. Table. Table means table. It is in the feminine form. So, you would say ma table, my table. So, for je, we have three possessive adjectives. They are mon, ma and me. So, all these three words mean my. However, they are placed depending upon the noun. If the noun is masculine singular, we place mon. If it is feminine singular, we place ma. And if it is masculine or feminine plural, we place me. So, shall we move on to the next subject pronoun? So, what is next? Yes, it is tu. For tu also, we have three possessive adjectives. Ton, ta and te. Ton, ta and te. All these words mean yours. Let us take the same example. Livre. It is in the masculine form. You would say ton livre, your book. Ton livre. If it is a table, table. What would you say? Ta table, your table. If it is in the plural form, you would say tes livres, your books. So, for tu, we have ton, ta and te. Ton is placed before a noun that is masculine singular. Ta is placed before a noun that is feminine singular, and te is placed before a noun that is either masculine or feminine plural. Shall we move on to the next? For il or elle, we have the same. It is sans. Sans, sa, se. Sans, as you would have guessed, it comes before a noun that is masculine singular. Sa comes before a noun that is feminine singular. And se comes before a noun that is in the plural form, either masculine or feminine. For example, how would you say this is his book? Say, this is his book. C'est son livre. It is his book. How would you say this is his table? Sa table. Sa is written here because this is in the feminine singular form. So how would you, when this is in the plural form, you would say ses livres. Ses livres. Because this is in the plural form, we would say ses. Now, next, for nous. For nous, we have two possessive adjectives. They are notre and nos. For a masculine or feminine singular noun, we say notre. Notre means our. Notre livre. Our book. Notre livre. So, notre means our. Because this is in a singular form, we say notre. If it is in the plural form, for example, if it is livre, plural form, we would say nos. Nos livres. Nos livres. So, I hope you understood for nous. Next, for vous. For vous, it is similar to nous. You would have guessed it, I think. It is votre and vos. Votre and vos. Votre would come for nouns that are singular. And vos is for nouns that are plural. For example, votre table. Your table. Votre table. If it is in the plural form, you would say vos tables. Vos tables.